when you listen to the story, almost say, boy, Jimmy, your friend could Sheldon ya ni tisa Mutuase ya or nam Ghana. Onim de onya na life yi. Or no could Sheldon no. You see, he had a personal conversation with this young man. Nana ba na mwamo ejimi omo chire no. And then when the issue happened, you know, this could Sheldon ni tisa bosum na ase no. He went to pick that private conversation between himself and the guy. Abra, the guy was saying, you know what, I work here. If there's any opinion anywhere, let me know. I can do 2 jobs or I can quit and take the better offer. This could have shouted Jimmy, you know, took that private conversation and then sent it out there. Wait, Jimmy. Somewhere where Jimmy no Ghana or dinam krum obian body trim to obian she and what Jimmy no because yes could you Sheldon. Where Jimmy no sa niti I saw woman and oh Jimmy no we this song is not good. No I just way oh Jimmy only content papa biao. Jimmy consistent Jimmy. So somebody too, he goes out there and go pick the conversation he had with this boy privately and put it out there and said, yes, this is what he told me. Are you foolish? And this handler guy says, because of that conversation, I'm firing the boy. And Nanaba and one of them sits there and then they give this guy pressure, say, fire the boy. Nobody would Jimmy to Ghana. You want to destroy the young man. You see where we are today? Jimmy Sao. Jimmy ne yame Jimmy for Jimmy omo nanka Ghana ye kura ni papa ni Nkansah for die an entertainment industry could you shout in the content man oh what does he have? Hey Sarkodie play this song hey they wait and now oh Jimmy no 24/7 because wanya sa onya bibi and onya baby ntina onya rent. So we foolishly support foolish creatures. We foolishly support foolish creatures. Nipa the tiso chain the whole body or the number. Why to say a idea we unim idea near tonton mami o dende go Sheldon niti o jina why say mami o dende Jimmy is I'm to say he's mentioning my name. So this foolish idiot. So he brought out a conversation and then this young man who are Nanaba na Mwamo misbehaved and foolishly fooled themselves in front of them. They have fired the boy. I want to say this. I am the CEO of Loud Silence Media. If anybody knows this boy, I'm going to employ him permanently. And I'm going to pay him permanent wage every month. If anybody knows this young man, tell him I say he should reach out to me. In fact, my producer will find a way to reach out to him. If he's willing to work for Loud Silence Media as the entertainment editor, I will give him that full position to write a story and put on our website, loudsilencenews.com. And I will pay him. I will not put him on commission. I will pay him as a permanent worker with Loud Silence Media. I want to prove to you these fools in Ghana. You just destroy people's life. So you, this handler, Jimmy. Now I'm saying, better one day make a mistake and pick any of my videos. Now I'm from Jimmy with Studio Hokankano to talk about it. You see. Jimmy is a most thank for life. So I am humbly saying to this boy, if you know him, and I know my team, they are on the ground, they will reach out to him. I will talk to him myself. If he is willing, no pressure. I will give him a slot as the entertainment editor on loudsilencenews.com to write and I'll pay him. And I'm going to pay him more than anything you guys were paying him. And I'm with Jimmy sir. And then I'm with Jimmy sir. You sit in Ghana, you bring everybody down. I will give him a job. The money I'll pay him, it will be better than what nonsense. Like GH1, when you're trying to GH1, a cat and a go, when you're trying to